I missed my bus. Screwed up. I'm trying to call the vet right now. At least Para is willing to drive me back. Like my back is in pain again. It looks like I'm high, but my back I'm in so much pain.
The veterinarian conduct an exam. If your pet has to stay with us, you have a medical staff working all day and night to make sure that your pet is cared for and comfortable. In the summertime, the living isn't always easy for our pets. Dogs and cats can
My back is in so much pain. That's all I can think about. I'm just in so much pain. That's all I can think about. I just want to get out of pain. I'm telling you. I had it back.
And keep your pets happy and healthy. Speak with a team member to find out how we can help your pet.
I usually am 5 minutes early, and this time I was more than 5 minutes late, and he left. So, I thought it would even out, but anyway, I don't blame them. They couldn't come back. But after the experience that I had with a taxi driver, I just can't do that to myself anymore. These people are they're not equipped to deal with me, so I'm on the phone with the vet to let them know that I missed the bus. Can I leave them can I come later? And even then I have to figure it out. Or what if he stays overnight? Because I can already see the signs of this very small minimal outing not going well. Not going well. And a lot of it's on me, I guess. I'm just not capable. I mean, I feel like a disaster sometimes. If I had the right recovery, I would do a lot better, but I feel so incapable. I grasp at straws to get better. There's nothing I can do. I feel like there's nothing I can do. Every time I make a little headway right now, it's like I'm just trying to put out another fire. I'm just tired. I'm already tired. I've only been outside for 10 minutes. I'm tired. I just want to go to sleep. I just don't have time. And I don't have good time management. Mostly because I'm focused on pain. Still waiting to talk. I don't want to be out here. I had to stop fucking caring about my looks. That's how I am now. I don't care how I look. I look like a straight up druggie. I know that. But I'm in pain. I don't know why with this you can't turn it around while you're filming. The more I'm using the Samsung device, the more I'm like, yeah, I gotta upgrade. All up in my back.
As a loving pet parent, you'd do anything for your cat or dog. After all, we're part of the family. Every year when it begins, the suffering
I thought I had wipes.
Scratching and chewing.
I thought I had wipes, and I don't. I don't want this shit on my eyes. I don't want this shit on. I gotta go get my dog, right? Even if there's signs, I gotta go get my dog. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. I have to go.
Canada, also Vista Animal Hospital, offering general care, specialty, and 24-hour emergency care for your pet.
How do I get this crap off my eye?
Did you know that not all dogs are good swimmers? Introduce them to water gradually and make make sure that
Probably brought my wipes. Feels good to be out in the sun, I will say that, but not with the stress. I even forgot who I was calling. I'm calling the vet. Like, I'm just gonna give it up. I don't want to have to be on the phone all this time.
On site 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Never heard back from the mobile vet, by the way.
There is no additional emergency charge anytime. If you have a pet emergency, call us
Apparently,
right away.
I haven't heard from them how much, whatever they're gonna charge me. Honestly, I expect them to charge me as much as they can possibly do.
Pigs are attracted to motion, warm temperatures, and the carbon dioxide that exhale. Pigs cannot
Having pets is not for poor people.
walking like bushes or vegetation. They wait there for
You should be ashamed of yourself, poor people. Insecure, like this is satire.
pigs carry different diseases depending on the area of the country they use up. And the veterinarian will know which type of disease you must be prepared. Visit our website, bcacanada.com/altavista, or connect
Can I just say that I've been to Lola before? I have been to emergency vets before. Not much as an adult, but I went to Lola and it was great. Then again, like I said, I had my white mom with me all the times that I went. Can't be on the